Hey guys! Woo! I'm so happy right now. It is. So first of all, we supposed to be in school, but school is out because it's snow outside. Like it snowed last night, so thank you Jesus. We only went to school like 2 days this week. It's Thursday, January the 4th. This video will be out today. So guess what I got? What's in the bag? Come on, buddy, chill out. So my dog is right here, so he'll be the one making noises. He's like, what is in the package? But yeah. So your girl ordered from Fashion Nova for the first time. I'm really nervous. Hopefully everything fits. And we're just gonna get right into this video. So this is like an unboxing, my first initial thoughts, try on. Yeah. So as you see, I have not opened it yet. I'm not gonna turn this back around because there's really nothing but my address on it. But yeah. Hopefully I can open this without scissors because I don't feel like getting up to get them. I kind of remember what I ordered. So I'll put a picture of what it looks like on the site and a try on clip. Okay. So this is the first thing that I got. Okay, so I got, they gave me it says, sorry babe, we know your order was way past fashionably late, and we want to thank you so much for being a supportive and understanding #Nova babe. We had a record-breaking holiday season all because of you. All of the love you showed made Fashion Nova the world's #1 go-to destination for the hottest styles. You are a part of the fastest growing company in the world, in history. Oh wait, there's more. Blah blah blah. They gave me a coupon code. Thank you, Fashion Nova. XOXO, your Fashion Nova fan. So this is what the little card they gave me is. That's cute. Then they gave me a my receipt. So this is the first thing that I got. It is a orange sweater. Hold on. So the first thing that I got is this orange sweater. It's in the color rust. Recently I've been loving sweaters, so yeah. Just tell me the price. I know that my total came up to $90, and then I used a coupon code, and it brought the total down to like $54. So that was good. Okay. It's definitely thick. I like the sweater. I just bought a sweater from Forever 21. That's yellow. Move, buddy. You're in the way. And it's yellow, and I was like, oh, I need another sweater like that. So this is what this one looks like. It's lace up on the side. I think that's really cute. The color's cute. It looks very warm, very thick, very stretchy. I got this in a size medium large. Hopefully it's, gonna cooperate and not be too big. But yeah, because the last one I got from Forever 21, I got it in a size medium, and I probably could have got a small, but it fits comfortable. So yeah, this is the sweater, and hopefully it fits nice. So another thing you get is the return form. So hopefully I don't gotta use this. And I ordered 3 pairs of jeans. Okay. So these are the Drive to the Ocean jeans. They're in a size 13. Yes, thank you. Okay. So usually I wear a size 14, and I was watching like a whole bunch of videos on. Okay. Ooh, please fit. Okay, so these aren't Fashion Nova jeans. Oh, please fit, please fit. Hopefully these fit. They're cute. They're just these pair of jeans. They're pretty stretchy, so hopefully they fit, because I am not trying to return anything. They're like a light wash jean. They're from the company. Move it, buddy. You want to get out? They're from the company B.O.B. jeans, so hopefully they fit. What else do I got in here? Okay, so I got these pair of, like, these are going to be like my uniform pants, because I do wear uniform to school, and I needed some of my uniform pants. So I also got these in a size 13. They're cute. They got this little rib on it. Yeah, I think these are pretty cute. Hopefully they fit. So yeah, these are just some simple jeans. Oh, I didn't see that they had like zippers right here. That's cool. And they also have, I think, more detail than they had on the website. So yeah, hopefully these fit nice, and they're stretchy. So let's see if I'll get my booty in them. Okay, and this is the last thing that I got. These are also B.O.B. jeans in the size 13, 14, and these are the Need Something jeans. Wow, so I didn't technically get any Fashion Nova jeans, which is coolio. Okay, nervous for these two. Y'all know, you know. So these are stretchy too. These are cute. They have bigger holes on them, which is cool because I wanted some jeans like that. Just hopefully my legs and stuff don't be falling out of them. So yeah, I'm really praying that everything fits good, because y'all, I do not feel like, I really don't feel like sending anything back. So yeah, this is what these are looking like. Just some regular jeans. Oh, they really do stretch really good. So yeah, that's what those look like. So I'm about to try this stuff on really quick, and I'm gonna let you all know what I think about everything after I try it on. Okay, but yeah, that's everything that I got. I was really scared. I didn't want to order too much stuff and then not fit, and then I just be like, what the hell, and nothing fits. So let me go try this stuff on, and I'll be back with my thoughts. So I decided to keep this sweater on just to end the video really quickly. On a scale of 1 to 10, I will rate the things that I got at like a 7, because I did like the jeans. I did like the jeans. It's just I would have wished that they were maybe Fashion Nova, or that they would have been a little clear on what they what brand they were. I was trying to look and see what brand they were, and I couldn't really find what brand they were, and they weren't Fashion Nova. But that was fine. They did fit pretty well, decently well. The darker wash jeans, they were tighter than the lighter wash jeans, but they both were able to get on me. The khaki pants, they didn't look like how they looked on the website, but they were still cute. I just couldn't fit them. And the material of them, I just didn't, it wasn't what I expected it was going to be. I thought it was going to be more of a jean material. Those pants are the same pants that they have at the Rainbow. They cost the same amount as they did at the Rainbow, so I wasn't too mad about that price. Like, it wasn't like Fashion Nova jacked up their prices. But they did cost the same amount as the ones at the Rainbow, and they felt like those. But they were the same price. It's just I was expecting something a little different because of the way it looked online. And oh, this shirt, this sweater, I don't think I expected it to have this part. Like, it goes down and then up and then down, and it's not ugly. It's just I wasn't expecting it to look like this, so it kind of took me by surprise. I thought it was gonna fit. I honestly don't remember what the picture looked like, but I thought that it was gonna be like a regular sweater and had this on two sides. I'm not sure. But overall, it wasn't too bad. I did get I feel like I got good stuff. I just don't know what I'm planning on doing with those khaki pants, because they definitely do not fit. I feel like, I mean, I've been going to the gym and stuff, so I feel like I got a few more workouts they'll fit. But we ain't got time for no few more workouts. We need them to fit like now. And I don't want to just have them sit in my drawer and I ain't able to wear them. Let me see what my receipt, I'm about to see what the return policy is. So it says, please return our item within 30 days. We do not accept items that are worn, washed, altered. They don't take back body suits and swimsuits. And we do not do refunds or exchange. We would gladly issue you store credit in the form of an e-gift card to the email. Store credit can be used immediately and never expires. When returning, we recommend using a trackable service device such as UPS Flat. And you are responsible for returning shipping charges. Okay. So yeah, overall, pretty decent, pretty good. Will I order from them again? Probably. I ordered on December the 26th and it is January the 4th, so it took about a week. And yeah, overall, oh, and they told me it was going to be a little wait because of the holiday season. So overall, I'll give it about a 7 out of 10, just because it wasn't like, I mean, I didn't order hella stuff, but what I got, I'm pretty fine with. It's just, I don't know if I forgot what I ordered or what it was exactly looking like, but for some reason, I just don't feel like the sweater looks like this, and those khaki pants didn't look like this. But the 2 jeans that I got, I'm satisfied with. But the one jeans, the darker wash jeans with the bigger holes, the holes is like really big. My mom told me that's what it looked like. It was going to be really big holes. But overall, I think everything is fine. I don't know what I'm going to do with those khaki pants, but yeah. So if you're watching this video and you are not subscribed, you need to hit yourself on the hand and hit the subscribe button. In the comments, so let me know what more video suggestions you want. Come on now. I ain't editing this out. But yeah. So in the comments, let me know what video suggestions you want. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.
Your bitch want party with Cardi. Cartier body in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you